Hi guys, welcome to a quick short on how to make an FPS counter in Scratch. First thing, let's go to events. When flag is clicked, now we want to go down to forever. We want to go to variables. We want to make FPS. And now we want to make frame. And then we want to grab set, duplicate it, go down to sensing, reset timer, go to events, control, repeat until, go down to here, grab this one, forgot what it's called, sensing, and go 1, then change frame by 1, and now I'm going to go frame, go over to operators, I'm going to grab negative, put 1, and now I'm going to go and grab frame. And that, guys, is how you make an FPS counter in Scratch. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to comment, like, and share this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!